How do you find volume of a rectangular prism is equal to what? Length times width times height. Okay, this is the same thing. We have to write an expression for the volume of each rectangular prism. So the first one is actually a cube. So the length is x, the width is x, and the height is x. Shh. Volume equals the length times the width, x, times, what's the height? So what is this simplified? X to the power of? 3. Good. That's it. X to the power of 3. That's the answer. Volume equals length times width times height. Length is what? Width is? And the height is? So we want to multiply all the numbers, the numerical part together. If there's no number in front of the x, you can imagine there's a 1 there. It doesn't change it, right? So what's 3 times 1? Times 2? And I have 3 x's, so it's x to the power of x times x times x is the power of 3. 10y times height is? So that would be 10 y to the power of 3. Pay attention. We're told that the volume of a cube, let me write that down. Okay, let's draw a cube. The volume is 8y to the power of 3. We know that a cube, all side lengths are equal, right? The volume is 8y cubed. We have to figure out what times what equals 8y cubed. Okay, well we'll do this part first. What variable has to be in the expression? Y times y times y is y to the power of 3. What times what will give you 8, but the number has to be identical because it's a cube. No, that's not the same. 2, what's 2 times 2?
4
times 2?
8.
Correct. And it has to be the same dimension because it's a cube. 2y times 2y times 2y. That's for question A. Question B says,
What is that area of
right, what is the area of one face of the cube? So look here. This is the face of the cube. What is the area of this? We'll call it a square. How do you find the area of a square? Length times width. What's the length of the square? 2y. And what's the width? 2y. Not just 2, it's 2y. So what's the area of that face?
4y?
4y to the power of 2.